Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can block emails on Gmail. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So blocking an email on Gmail isn't that direct, and you need to just be a little bit specific with what email you want to block. But keep in mind, if someone sends from multiple emails, you have to block those multiple emails. Unlike social media, where if you block one account, it's going to block any account that has been made or used by that platform or that device. On Gmails, or on emails, technically or basically, you have to block each and every single person who sent you an email. So how we can do this? So first of all, you're going to launch up Gmail. Now, from Gmail, you're going to go on to this account, for example, if I want to block him. And then, no, this one is important. If I go, let's say, on sent, and then I go over here, and I click on the three dots, I go on to all inboxes, and I go on to Grammarly, for example. After that, I'm going to click on the three dots, and as you can see, block Grammarly Insights. And as you can see, I've blocked the sender, and if I want to unblock him, I just can click on unblock sender. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.